When I started doing YouTube, I was in college, I was on a student loan, I couldn't even afford a proper computer that I could record gameplay on. Shortly after, I quit college, and so I had to get a job, and I took whatever job I could get, which was to work in a hot dog stand. I was the happiest I was at that time because I was finally, for the first time in many, many years, doing what I wanted to do. And the fact that I could make videos was so much more important to me that I had to spend a few hours a day doing a job that wasn't that prestigious. I really think that money doesn't make you happy. I am just as happy as I am now as I was 5 years ago. I think that's what's cool about YouTube, that anyone could technically do it, right? I do want to finish off by just saying thank you so much to all of you who watch my videos, enjoy them, and support what I do. It really does mean a lot, and I'm just happy doing this. I would be doing it even if I was still not as big as I am.
And yeah, today we're gonna celebrate because I got 100 subscribers. To a lot of people, 100 subscribers is probably an insignificant number, but to me it means a lot. So I just want to thank you guys so much, like for all your support. It doesn't matter if you're, I don't know, a new subscriber or been here, I don't know how long I've been doing this, 1.5 months maybe. I just want to thank you guys. I love you all equally. Thank you all so much for commenting on my videos and rating them, subscribing and participating in any way. It just makes me happy.